So, you posted some controversial stuff on Twitter.com. Happens to the best of us, doesn't it? But let's say that you did that with a following of thousands of people. You're an influencer online. You don't want to let them down, at least not until you die or have to play Fortnite or something for views. And that's why today, we're going to learn how to apologize on YouTube. First step to apologizing on YouTube is to feel absolutely no remorse. If you really felt sorry, you wouldn't have said or done that stuff in the first place. You need to start your video by sighing. The louder you sigh, the sorrier you are. Start the video off by saying something along the lines of, I know I really said some messed up things, okay? I've taken some time to do some self-reflection lately. Is also a good choice. Obviously, if you want people to feel sorry for you, you need to get those waterworks flowing. But if you don't want to go full ham with the crying, crank up the heat to make your face look really red, and then say something like, I am so disappointed in myself. Clearly I have a lot to work on as a human being. Or the ever popular, I made a huge mistake. Maybe in, I don't expect to be forgiven for what I did. For good measure. To inspire your viewers, especially small children, to do better, say something like, I should be setting an example for all of you guys out there. Normalize your behavior by saying that you were in a very dark place at the time. Put in some sad music for empathy points. If you want extra remorse, hold a small animal like a puppy. That way your audience will think you care about at least one thing in your life outside of YouTube. If you don't have a dog or any other living animal for that matter, just use a stuffed one or make a little heart-shaped gesture like... Also, cut your footage a bunch of times. That way your audience doesn't see you have a mental breakdown. The more cuts, the better. By this point, your audience should have totally forgiven you. But if they somehow haven't, just say, I am truly sorry. One more time. Bonus points if you add in, from the bottom of my heart, somewhere in between. Lastly, when you upload your video, make sure to title it something like, My apology/response to offended party goes here. So now that I've shown you what to do, I think you're ready to make the laziest video of your life. It's time to go out there and apologize for what you did.